What's up, everyone? It's your girl Fidelis. Today we got a braided wig from Brinbea Hair on Amazon. It is a 36-inch braided wig, full lace cap. It came double lace, but I have removed the double lace in the front. This wig is beautiful. It fits beautiful. It fits nice. If you have a small head circumference from like 20 to 22, this wig is definitely a good fit for you. My head circumference is a 21 and this wig fits beautiful. So, and it comes with baby hairs, lots of baby hairs, so beautiful. So let's get into this install. I already got my ball cap down. I'm only going to be doing one layer of glue because I'm not keeping it on for too long. But yeah, it's a good wig because one, I didn't have time to sit in a beauty salon for 6 hours to get my hair done. So I ran over there and I caught this wig. Let's get into the install. Let's see. Okay. Because it does come with a strap. But I don't trust issue with this, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of the good fitting. You could wear it glueless, so she already know that. Look at how seamless and real it's giving. The link for this wig will be down in the description box. Don't walk, run over to Amazon, Brinbea Hair, and get you one today. Thank you.